In today's video, we're looking at 3 ways to make money on YouTube without ads. And look, we all know that when you first get started on YouTube, well, hopefully you all know this, but if you don't know, to start running ads on your YouTube channel, you need to have a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and also 4,000 hours view times before you can start running paid ads on your videos and start earning money. Now, for some people, this can take, many months and even years to reach those requirements. And this is this is one of the reasons why many people give up on YouTube and, quit. However, what you can do is there's a number of ways that you can actually make money pretty much from day one. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 different methods, and we'll start with the worst in my opinion, and we'll work down to number 1, because the last method I'm going to share with you is without doubt the best way to make money on YouTube. It's even better than the money that you can make from YouTube AdSense. Now on the screen now, this is my blog, and we've got lots of articles on here for making money on YouTube, growing a YouTube channel and lots more. So if you want to go and read these, I'll drop a link to this below for you. So let's start with method number 1, and this is whereby we're offering consulting or services, because it doesn't matter what channel that you've created on YouTube or you're sharing content around. If you're particularly good at a subject, you can take that and then start offering that as a service or consulting. And there's some really simple places where you can offer these services. One is over here, which is Fiverr, and you can see here I've just typed in YouTube thumbnail. So, if you create your own YouTube thumbnails, or if you're particularly good at editing your own videos, or, anything really, you can come over to freelancing websites like Fiverr, like Upwork.com, like People Per Hour, Guru, and many more. And you can put a link to, these are known as gigs, by the way. You can put a link to a gig in your YouTube description box and say, I will create your YouTube videos for you. I will create your thumbnails, and you link over to Fiverr. And this is a simple way of earning some money. And as I mentioned, it doesn't matter, what you're sharing on YouTube. Let's say if you was, sharing methods for growing an Instagram account, again, you could offer those services, or, become a consultant for somebody. So if I come over here and go and type in Instagram, we'll just see what comes up from this. And we can see what other people, they're selling basically. So if I come down here, look, I will identify all your Instagram ghost followers without any login. I don't even know what a ghost follower is. Come down here, I will grow your Instagram account page by page, real followers. So you see on here, people, look, I will provide your hashtag strategy for Instagram. So, if you've created a channel on YouTube about Instagram growth and sharing content, you could simply put a link to some services that you're offering on platforms like Fiverr. And you can do this on any freelancing website, and you don't need to wait for 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours view time. Now this method here, if you've got skills and services, you might as well earn some money right out the gate. And you can come over to this platform and just go into these different categories up here and have a look and see what people are offering, and see if you can do something similar. And you can see on here, we've got this in absolutely any category. We've got music, books and e-programs, video marketing, email, even things like, if you've got a cooking channel and you're sharing videos around that, then you can, become a consultant and offer advice that way. And this takes us into method number 2, which is whereby you can package all of that information up and put it into an online course. And an example of this is this platform over here. It's called Skillshare. Now you can see here, this is inside of my Skillshare account. This is how much I've earned to date. This is how many students have gone through my courses, how many minutes I've watched, and reviews. Now, over on platforms like Skillshare, there's not just Skillshare. You can do this on Udemy, there's Skillshare, and many more. You can just go on Google and type this in. But if we come over here and click on Browse, we can go through, look, creative writing, fine art, illustration, music, photography, life. I don't even know what lifestyle would be. But basically, especially on this platform here, this Skillshare, these are normally traditionally very short courses. So you can see here, look, a 1-hour course. It's had 16,000 students. Document your life, 4 methods to live more intentionally. We've got this one, look, hand sewing basics. 1 hour and 9 minutes. It's had 4,000 students. Spanish, interior design, learn anything with flashcards, and lots more. So look, when I say to people about, you can actually make money sharing your knowledge and experience on, a number of platforms, they always think, that nobody would be interested in this. They don't know how to do it. But you can see on here, like, tips for gardening, art, designing the life you want, 4 exercises for clarity and motivation. It's only 22 minutes, this course, yet the owner, or the creator of this, has had nearly 37,000 students, go through this course. And here's the cool thing with this, as opposed to offering services and consulting. With this method, you do the work once, you upload it onto a platform like Skillshare, and then you're earning passively from this. And what I would also say is, create that course, upload it onto this platform, but then you don't stop there. You then take that exact same course, and then you can go and put that on another platform like udemy.com or BitDegree. And again, you can just go on Google and type in e-learning. There's so much on here, and just go into the different, go into categories up here and go through and have a look at, what people are sharing. And, if you have a YouTube channel and you're sharing content similar to, anything that you find over on here, you can put together a really short course and upload it onto the platform. In fact, inside of some of these Skillshare courses over here, if I come back over here and I type in YouTube, I've actually been through some of these courses whereby people are actually taking the same video that they're uploading onto YouTube and then just, condensing it into a smaller format on here, and they're uploading that course onto here. And again, look, you can see these are all relatively short, but they're earning every time somebody is going through and watching any of these videos. So it's pretty cool. So that is method number 2, which is online courses. And this brings us over to the final method, which is affiliate marketing. And if you don't know, you can partner up with brands like Amazon over here, and you can, I'm sure you've seen this in YouTube videos, whereby you can get a link from Amazon, you can share that link, and if anybody clicks it and buys a product, whether it's a camera, lighting equipment and other bits, you can earn an affiliate commission. Now, this isn't something I focus on too much, but I just want to share something with you. So let me come over to here, and where's it gone? Custom date range. Let me just go back to, let's just take it to here and click apply, and then we'll scroll down here. Now you can see here, if I click on ordered items, these are different items which people have bought, and then we can see the earnings over here. So I have a link going over to Amazon, somebody's clicked that link, and then whilst on Amazon, they've either bought the products they were interested in, or within a 24-hour time period, they've bought some other products. And for doing so, Amazon will pay you. And you can see here, somebody has bought an Xbox Series S. They paid £206 for this. And for me sending that traffic to Amazon, they paid me the grand total of £2.07. So about $2.50. So it's not a lot of money. But we can also see other things on here. We've got Minecraft English. What is this? Something to do with Minecraft. They paid £4. Amazon paid me 24 pence. And another one over here. And it's the same process as what we've looked at over here with uploading a course. We do the work once. In terms of like Amazon and affiliate marketing, you can earn really good money, but not that I wouldn't say to focus too much on Amazon because they don't pay you that much, as you can see down here. Instead, you can go over to platforms like this one over here, which is called ClickBank. You can also go over to platforms like this one over here, which is called Warrior Plus, and you can earn a lot more money for this because it's the same concept. We're putting a link in the description box or in our YouTube comments, and if anybody clicks on that link and buys the product, you can earn an affiliate commission. Now, this one over here, this is a piece of software for creating websites. You can see here in the last 7 days, I've earned $188 from that one video on YouTube. But what's even better is, if I click on all time, I'll show you this really quickly. That product there has earned over $5,000, and because the video where this channel is, that channel has now been monetized, so I'm earning money from affiliate marketing and also from YouTube AdSense. So I think you'll agree, it's a pretty awesome method because we're not having to invest time like we're doing with consulting and servicing. We're creating content on YouTube, which we're doing automatic, well, not automatically, but we're creating content on YouTube. The only thing we're doing different is we're putting an affiliate link in our description box. And, you know, as you can see here, if you set this up correctly, you can earn some really good money with this. And look, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, it's over on YouTube and many more ways for making money. I'll also drop a link below. You can go ahead and have a look at this. So this is called YouTube Passive Success. Now inside of here, this is everything I know about earning online with YouTube. You can do this on camera, off camera. I share numerous examples inside of here, and it's pretty much everything you need to know about earning online. We go over the system, how to start this, the fast method, create a keyword research, creating videos. We cover money funnels. We go through the perfect video formula, and I even share with you how you can get your channel monetized in 2 weeks, how to rank videos, additional income streams, and lots more. So I'll drop a link to this below. If you want to check it out, feel free. And I'll also drop a link over to this article's over here on the blog. There's lots of ways you can make money with YouTube, even if you're not monetized with YouTube AdSense. So look, that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.